these are some step functions that you really have to have a good understanding of this to understand how to do limits. So this is a more of an algebra or pre-cal type review here. So I'm not going to work through every one of them with you, but if we consider this step function right here, when x is less than 2, f of x is 2x minus 5, and when x is greater than or equal to 2, you use f of x of 1/3 x plus 3. So right here, when we're evaluating f of 1, 1 is less than 2. So you need to plug 1 into the 2x minus 5. Okay, and that's how you would evaluate that. When you're doing f of 3, you have that 1/3 x plus 1 that you're using. So 1/3, oops. And so forth. Same sort of idea right here on example 3. On example 4, it's asking you to graph step functions. So when x is, okay, if I do an XY chart, for instance, which I don't know that that's the best thing to use to graph it, but let's, for x values less than or equal to 2, let's choose like 2, because 2 is less than or equal to 2, right? 2 and 0 and 1, let's see what happens. Well, if I plug 2 plus 1 in, I get 3. If I plug 0 plus 1 in, I get 1. If I say 1 plus 1, I get 2. So 2, 3. Let me zoom in here. There we go. 2, 3. And 1, 2. And 0. Oops. 2, 3. 1, 2. And 0, 1. Okay, and then so that's for x values less than or equal to 2. X values greater than 2, you just use that function of 1. So if it's greater than 2, we're going to have an open circle, and it would look like this. And those x values less than or equal to 2 would look like this.